to be on display.
I'm quite pleased that Darren Peck is standing next to us. We're going to be talking about the atmospheric river and a big adventure you had this weekend.
So we know that NOAA has been set up out at McClellan Air Park for about the last 6 weeks waiting for an atmospheric river.
And they got one.
They had 3 planes lined up out there. The same planes that they fly into hurricanes. In fact, the same plane that flew into Hurricane Katrina took off on Saturday to go fly out and measure what had happened.
Who was in that plane?
I got invited to go.
Cool.
So I brought my iPhone along and I shot a little video. Let me just give you the impression of what it was like for the day, and then I'll give you a little more insight to what they were doing.
This one's been flying hurricanes since 1977. It was built in 1976. It's got probably 4 dozen hurricanes at least. There are 2 items that we drop out of the plane. One is a buoy, and the second is a drop wind sonde, or a drop sonde.
Much like a weather balloon, except we drop it from 45,000 feet and it goes down to the ocean surface. And we'll get a curtain of measurements across the atmospheric river, which will help us unravel the 3-dimensional structure of these things.
In total, we're going to transit 9 points, and we're going to drop 9 combo drops, and then in between those combos, we're going to drop BT. So in total, there's going to be 18 drops throughout the mission. Then we're going to turn for home.
Great visuals, Darren.
So the sensors they were dropping were actually going down into the ocean and then down about 1,000 feet into the water, sending back signals to us on the plane the whole time. So what we were trying to figure out on Saturday is after the atmospheric river passes, which we were kind of in a break on Saturday, they want to know what effect that has on the ocean, because the ocean will then impact the next storm that comes in. And these storms are so big and they have such an impact on their surrounding environments, we don't know what it does to the ocean, and that's going to change the forecast. And that's what we were trying to figure out on Saturday.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, what a good adventure.
Really
Yeah, it
cool.
was a lot of
So
fun.
each of those little red kind of stickers that was on the side of it, does that mean those are each representative of hurricanes?
It's a badge of honor for that plane. It's been doing it since 1976, that plane, and every one of those was a hurricane had been in.
Badge of honor. I love it. Thanks, Darren.
Sure.
Justin Bieber put his